Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies doing some flagstone restoration and pool deck restoration. Been doing this here in town for 25 years. This product that I always run into, this product that gets sealed around the pool decks, any control joints or cracks. This stuff is just, I don't know how this gets used all the time. It's gummy and gooey. The pool decks are hot. This product just, it never ever fully dries, cracks. It's terrible. I've probably removed a gazillion feet of this same caulking around pool decks and caulked it with a good product, a proper product. You can follow this project beginning to end. I'm going to get this guy stripped out, and then I'll get it all nice and prepped, and we'll get it sealed up right. I should do before, during, and after videos on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link, and you can watch over 2,000 videos of my restoration projects. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. This week I'm doing a little flagstone and pool deck restoration. See you guys on the next one.